In this video, I will show you how to revolutionize your content creation process by combining the power of artificial intelligence with the design flexibility of Canva. Efficiency is the key to maintaining a consistent online presence, and this workflow is going to save you hours of manual work every single week. First, we are going to start inside of Claude, where you will provide your specific topic or source material. Once you have your baseline information ready, you simply need to type a specific prompt. Tell Claude to generate 10 social media tips for your niche and critically ask it to format the result as a table with 2 columns labeled hook and body text. This specific structure is essential because it allows Canva to understand exactly how to separate your headlines from your detailed text later on. After Claude generates your list, you will highlight and copy that table to your clipboard. Now you should head over to Canva and open a social media post template that matches your preferred platform, like a classic Instagram square. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the Apps section and search for a tool called Bulk Create. Once you open that tool, select the option to enter data manually. You will see a grid where you can paste the table you copied from Claude earlier. After hitting done, you will simply right-click on the text elements in your design and select the option to connect data to link your hook and body text to the corresponding columns. Just like that, Canva will generate individual pages for every single tip in your list while maintaining your beautiful branding and design style across the entire set. It is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to scale their digital marketing efforts quickly and professionally. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.